Hello, welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe,
we have another German edition, Americans or good old Yankee Doodle Dandy. And, we are going to try a German treat. And here we have something that's called Fritts. I guess it's Fritts or Frit. See that? My son is looking at me. Look at that look on his face. Okay, it's a freak. She's a freak. And the flavor is shy cherry.
This is getting out of the doubt.
And the bonus on this, you get some vitamin C. Vitamin. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna try this. This is from Germany, and this was gifted to us by our wonderful German benefactor. So this is called Frit. I'm sorry, I don't speak German. You have to look at the last video so you know that I am borderline trilingual in my mind.
You won't find that in the last video because I cut that out.
I'm sorry. Let's get serious about this. All right, here we go.
Do the rest of the
We're
video.
gonna try some Frit.
Do the rest of the video in French. Let's go.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna.
See? I told you.
You and I still live together, you know that, right? Once this is turned off, there's a different reality.
Once it's turned off, I'm going to be editing this, so.
All right, well, this little guy here, he's on the package of some Frit. And thanks to Tankmanjoe,
yes,
he has translated. So tell me what you found out about this.
What I found out is that there's 6 chewy candy strips.
Ooh, so fruit leathers?
Yes, extra long.
Extra long fruit leathers.
And they're cherry flavored.
Man, when you were playing football and baseball, we had to bring those treats. This would have been pretty neat to have. Oh, look what's inside. Before we get into the good stuff, give this video a thumbs up. Okay.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't have an opinion, give it a thumbs up.
There you go. Just give it a thumbs up. Hey, and subscribe.
Yes,
so you could get some more of this fantastic, awesome content.
Yes.
You can't live without this. You want to know what American thinks of German stuff?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Anyway, so this is what we have inside. See, we have a collection. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, should I count it in Spanish? 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. Here we go. Okay, so here we are, and we're going to try these. So you'll have one, I'll have one, and we're going to go for it. So let's see what these Frit vitamin C. What else can I tell you about this? Here you go. If you want to know more about this, I'm sure you could find this on Facebook and Instagram. So there you go. Shout out to the Fritts. Shout out to the freaks. Okay, sorry. This doesn't look like a fruit leather I know anything about. This looks like Bazooka Joe bubblegum. Those of you of a certain age, do you know what Bazooka Joe? I mean, you remember Bazooka Joe? See, it's perforated. I don't know if you can see that. Sort of perforated inside, and it's got that kind of pale pink look to it. Wow, it's like a chore over there to open it up.
It'll stick into it.
It'll stick it to it. All right, so here we go. Let me get this paper off of here so it doesn't stick into my... All right, so here we go. Ready?
Yep.
You first. No kidding. This tastes like something from my childhood.
Laffy Taffy.
There it is. Laffy Taffy. On a scale of 1 to 4. 1 meaning I'm like, oh, if I can make a hard pass on it, but A 1 meaning if I ever taste this again, it would be too soon. And a 4 meaning this is all right, I'll do it again. I will give, well, first I'll let you decide. 1 to 4, what'd you give it? I'll give it a 3. Not bad. I like it. I think here in the United States, they put so much stuff in it for presentation. And this looks so, I'm gonna be truthful, it doesn't look like much. Just pale bubblegum flavored looking. You see, it doesn't look like much, but it has a nice flavor. And I love cherry, so yeah, I'll give it a 3. What do you give it?
I'll give it a 4.
I see that.
It's really good. It's a Laffy Taffy, but it lasts longer in your mouth than Laffy Taffy. After chewing a Laffy Taffy for a bit, it'll just dissolve and disappear. And Laffy Taffies are kind of small compared to these. These are pretty big. Oh, it's a whole lot more. I would surely get this again.
You would get it again, yeah. And I'm right there with you. I just wouldn't give it a 4 because I try to avoid sticky candies that stick in my teeth.
Yeah.
But if somebody were to hand this to me and say, here you go, I'll be like,
my teeth aren't falling out, so I'm good.
my teeth aren't falling out either, son.
Okay, so why don't you like these type of candies?
I don't like things sticking in my
your
teeth.
teeth.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Don't let me become that mama that whopped you upside the head on film.
Well, that wouldn't happen because you're nice.
Right, so yeah, so you know what? I like this. I dig it. And like I said, it would have been a 4 for me, but I do try to avoid as much as possible things that stick to my teeth because, you know, my teeth aren't falling out, Tank. But, you know, when you get to a certain age and you have like little feelings and stuff that you got when you were a child.
And teeth that are weaker.
When you
normal.
eat things that are chewy, it tends to pull out old
and
dental
fillings. And that also can pull your teeth with it. Meaning your teeth can fall out. See? It's the same thing.
I'm bringing back your brother.
Oh, heck no.
Your brother is nicer.
He's banned from it.
Can you please bring back K-E-Dude? Oh my gosh.
It's gone.
That's it. Cut it. All right. So if you like this, you know, Americans, you know, us Yankee Doodle dandies, tasting a little bit of German treats, you know, stick around, hit that subscribe button. So until next time, that was perfect.